What is up, guys? It has been a while since I've made a video, and I'm really making this video just to show you guys that I am in fact still alive and still making YouTube videos. Now, the main reason that I'm making this video is because I've gotten a lot of inquiries as to how the Backfire tune that I run sounds. Like, that's a video that's pretty popular on my channel, and like not a lot of people have posted videos about like what the Backfire sounds like, and sometimes like it's very small and poppity 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 whatever, and sometimes it's very loud with one gunshot, but when you drive the car hard it sounds like another level, and that's what this video is here to show you guys. Really quick before I get this video started, shout out to my sponsors. The first one is Auto Nirvana. This is one of their shirts. They are an auto clothing brand that make clothing that represents your and my lifestyle, which is the lifestyle of cars, building cars, enjoying cars, all that kind of stuff. So if you want clothes that represents your lifestyle, check them out. The second one is Verus Engineering. They build aero parts for a small array of cars, but the ones that they do build, they're really high quality, and they put a lot of engineering and testing and data, put a lot of data behind all the things that they make. It's really impressive, and I really like that stuff, especially if you're into track stuff, check them out. And the last one is one of my newest sponsors, Apex Race Parts. They build wheels mostly with some spacers and that kind of stuff for cars like the Mustang, Porsche, and the FRS BRZ, like the one that I own, and they're on my car now and they look amazing. Check out my Instagram for some of those photos. But I've filled out my legal obligations. Let's get this video started. Mitchell, do you want to say anything before we go?
I'm Mitch McLaren.
Okay, let's go. Forgot to mention, this is going to be a 4th of July special because I love America so much, and I thought that this extravaganza of fireworks would do it justice for Independence Day. So before Independence Day, we actually drove all the way down to Mexico to make this video, so I really hope you guys enjoy it because it was a long drive.
It was a long drive.
It was a long drive.
Like, even though we're in SoCal, you know, it's like traffic and shit.
And like, my car is not a comfy car.
Yeah.
All the way into the middle of Mexico. So that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. There's a lot of install videos coming up, a lot of vlogs, well, some vlogs, mostly track day kind of stuff, and then random videos like this. So make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Mitchell, do you wanna say anything?
If you're interested in a more interesting build, I'm building a RB620, wow, I can talk. An RB26 powered 240Z. Yeah, I bet it is. An RB26 powered 240Z. Go check out my channel because I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos on that. So expect an awesome build.
Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day for all my Americans and the people outside of America. I will see you guys later. So strong.